Hello student, in the last video we discussed about the reflection of light, and today we are going to have the knowledge of spherical mirrors. You know, so spherical mirrors. You know, mirrors are good example of reflecting surface, and in your last classes or in your earlier classes you have read about the mirrors, plane mirrors. Here in this class 10th physics we are going to know about the spherical mirrors. So come to the definition. Here you are having this word spherical means something related with the sphere. So from this you can deduce the definition. Spherical mirrors are those mirrors which are a part of sphere. Okay? So let me write definition. Spherical mirrors are mirrors which are a part of sphere. So definition is clear. What is the meaning of a part of sphere? Means you are taking a sphere, breaking, and there is word mirror, so no doubtly one surface is polished also. So whenever we are going to have the spherical mirrors, we can have the two types. Then we are going to take the parts of sphere. So let me make them here. Suppose there are two types of spherical mirrors. So they can be of two types. Either in this way, where the convex surface is polished. So this is called as concave mirror. Notice that in a concave mirror, the convex part, convex means something coming up like this portion is polished. So just reverse portion is polished. In a concave mirror, convex portion is polished, and there is another, this can be said as convex mirror. So convex mirror is, both are the parts of a sphere, and here convex surface is polished and here concave surface is polished. So now it is clear to you that spherical mirrors can be of two types. One is concave mirror and another is convex mirror. Now come to few definitions related with some definitions we are going to study here about the spherical mirror. Some definitions about spherical mirrors. So let me take the figure. Suppose we are taking this concave mirror. So the middle point, it is just like that. Here you are having the middle. So equally from here, here and here. we cannot make a sphere on the plane of the blackboard, this board. So you can suppose in your mind that there is a spherical part where we are taking the middle point, then that middle point is called as pole of the mirror. In the convex mirror also, suppose we are taking convex mirror, here also the same definition follows. The middle point is called as pole of the mirror. So now I think pole is clear to you. Nothing to write here. If you are required to write, then what will you write? The middle point, suppose we are defining, the middle point of the spherical mirror is called as pole of the mirror. Now, spherical mirrors are the part of sphere. So suppose if we are completing the sphere like this, suppose this is sphere, and here we are completing the sphere like this. So the center of the sphere, whose part is the spherical mirror, this is called as center of curvature. Center of curvature of the spherical mirror. So how can you define this? Center of curvature of the spherical mirror is the center of the sphere whose part is the particular mirror, like this. Now obviously you can understand that this is on the left side for the concave mirror and it is on the right side for the convex mirror. Okay, so these are two things which should be clear to you, pole and the center of curvature. Now here we are defining them for this principal axis. So what is the principal axis? Suppose we are joining a straight horizontal line. Suppose this is a concave mirror. So we are taking pole and the center of curvature. So a straight line that should be horizontal passing through the center of curvature, and pole is called as principal axis. In the case of, suppose you are taking convex mirror. Suppose we are taking convex mirror. So here is the pole, middle point, and here is the center. So it is like that. So it is always C1, C2, suppose we are writing. So it is what is the principal axis you can define also. Figures are equally important here. You can get all the definitions by learning the figures. What is principal axis of a spherical mirror? That is a horizontal straight line passing through center of curvature and pole of the mirror. So that is definition is same for both types of mirror. Only the position of this center of curvature is different for different mirrors, but line is same, either on that side or on this side. So this is called as principal axis. So you can write definitions yourself. Better understanding is important. So you have known about the principal axis. Now let me tell you one thing more. There is focus, principal focus. Principal focus. What is the principal focus? No doubtly it is a point and related with the spherical mirrors. So suppose we are taking one example of any mirror. So suppose we are taking here convex mirror. So its pole, its center of curvature, and this is the principal axis. Suppose rays are falling which are parallel to principal axis, then after reflection they will go like this, because here is normal. Normal is always passing through the center of curvature, that is always perpendicular. So this normal should be, so the angle of incidence should be equal to angle of reflection. So take care always when you are making the figure. So there is that principle involved, because we are having the study of only regular reflection. So this is, I am removing to understand. So suppose it is reflected after falling on the convex surface, concave mirror, and then the point from where they are seeming to appearing to come out, that is called as focus. Okay? And let us understand this in for the other also. Again understand for the other type of mirror. So let us take concave mirror. So this is concave mirror. Its principal is its pole, its center of curvature, so it is principal axis. And let us take rays parallel to the principal axis. So here is here, so they will return like this. They will pass through focus like this. So it is here. What is the both? See the both figures. Suppose we are taking here this. What is happening here? It is pole. It is center of curvature. Here rays parallel to principal axis appear to come out from the focus, and here rays meet at the focus after reflection. So better you have understood. Now suppose you are wishing to write the definition, so how will you write? You can make with the help of figure. Focus is the point from where rays parallel to principal axis meet or appear to come out or emerge. Better you can write from come out for a spherical mirror. Now see here, appear to and meet. Meet is for the concave mirror, you have seen in the figure, and appear to come out is for the convex mirror. So, and no doubtly it is situated on the principal axis. So focus is the point at principal axis. You can write here like focus is a point at principal axis where the rays parallel to the principal axis meet or appear to come out for a spherical mirror after reflection. So like that you can make the definition for other things also. Now this is the definition of principal focus. Now how will you define the pole? So pole, we have already discussed, it is the middle point of the spherical mirror. Very simple. Actually, I was not wishing to tell you, but first, what is the way of doing physics? First, try to understand and then write. So we have understood now it is pole. Now suppose we are required center of curvature. Center of curvature. So what is the center of curvature? It is the center of sphere whose part is the given spherical mirror. And similarly you can define the principal axis also, but the horizontal line principal axis you can define the horizontal line, horizontal straight line, not only straight line. Here we are going to have always rays are also straight line, axis is also straight line passing through center of curvature and pole. Now here you can predict that this line is fixed. Why? You know there is always only one line, fixed line, passing through two given points. So this straight line is fixed. So today I have tried you to make the basic definitions related to the spherical mirror. There are the types of spherical mirrors. There are of two types, and one is convex and another is concave. In convex mirror, the concave surface is polished, and in convex mirror for today. Tomorrow we shall see furthermore. Thank you.